Right guys, we're just heading up small lanes up towards CAPRI CLUB International. We've got John along for the ride, the boys are in the car, raring to go and see some pretty cool cars. And there's going to be a lot of sort of standard cars here today, probably a massive row of 280 Brooklands and stuff like that, things you don't tend to see very often. But I'll catch up with you guys when we get in there and have a little look at what we got. Hello guys, we have made it into Badgers Hill. This is CAPRI CLUB International HQ. So we've got a big old warehouse of a place with a little bit of a garage in there to do some stuff. They've got lots of parts, and this is their, leave that in the car please babe. And this is their sort of little meet, first one they've had for a good couple of years due to COVID mess. First one I've been to for probably 10 years I reckon. 10 years. Here is two baby boys and I am on daddy daycare duty again. So as before guys, as before with the Colford meet, I'm going to make my way around the show, try and get lots of clips of Capris for you. Have a little look at what we got here, which looks like a really cracking bunch so far, and they're still rolling in. Got some 280s over there, a really good line of different cars by the look of it. So yeah, absolutely wicked. Met up with these guys just for a drive in quickly. Up here we've got a fella called Steve who's got a Capri vlog jumper. What a ledge. So yeah, loads of cool stuff going on, loads of cool people to go and have a chat with. I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later once I've taken some snaps and stuff of cars. As I said, I apologise if this is not enough for you in this show. I am on daddy daycare and it's time to get the kids out and have a little blast.
Bye.
We know those guys from the Southwest Classic Car Club. Very cool. They came out on the Capri Cruise as well. Wicked to see that thing on the road. Really smart looking car. Alright then guys, just at the entrance of is the workshop and stuff behind me there. We came down this track here, around the corner and down towards the show down there. We've got a couple of sort of trade stands, a few parts and there's some toys and things like that. And then obviously the show field on the left where we parked. It looks like there's some other stuff at the far end, maybe some a little escort I think I can see. Console Capri, we'll see. We're going to have a little look at those now. I'm going to try and track down a little food stand as well.
I want to know.
This one is called a Cortina. Can you say Cortina? crikey, look at all this, it's mad. So Showfield's just down there, and just walked into here. This is Mike Hill's Motorsport on the side, little sign. And there's some really cool stuff lying about in different states of disrepair or repair, as the case may be. Some lovely cars, wicked projects. Look at that little snout looking through those windows. Found the burger van. That is nice, isn't it?
Yeah. I tried that one.
No, you can't drive that one. Lovely.
Okay.
Another GPS special. White one. With a dog in the boot. That's cool, isn't it?
Here's another one.
Another one, isn't there?
Do you want to drive that one? He got too far.
Very cool.
Go. Let's go on concourse.
So at the top of the field, we've had a little snack, had a little wander around some of the other bits. We're going to work our way around all the different Capris, take as many nice shots as I can, given the fact the Sprogs are here. This has got really interesting paintwork. I'm always interested to see sort of aftermarket bits that people choose to do. This is like a matte black, but then they've got this grey, what looks like might be wrap, and gives it that line around the bulge. And that looks really cool. I like that a lot. And this is Steve's 2.8. Quite a rare colour apparently. And it is actually factory E-Reg. So crazy late. Really nice example. Steve's just trying to keep it as nice as is humanly possible with bits and pieces you can get hold of these days. It's absolutely wicked. But shout out to Steve, massive thanks for all your help, support with the channel and social media and craziness. Then we've got this Mark 1 facelift. We've seen this a couple of times at a few different shows. And this fella had a car very similar to this when he was young, and he got this one as a proper project. He's done so much stuff to it. That's when it just looks so clean. We've seen him at a couple of different shows. It's absolutely stunning example. And it always seems to attract quite a lot of attention, understandably. Beautiful. And then you got this nail. My machine.
Yeah, it's not a tune though, isn't it? Well, that was an interesting
John forgot his Capri. Mislaid his Capri.
Where is it? Parked it somewhere and walked off.
$25,000 miles on that.
Yeah.
Incredible. So clean. X-Pack. That's pretty done. Love the wheels.
Uh-oh.
Ducktail spoiler. You've got to stop over.
I'm looking for little toys.
That's it. My phone is playing up a good one. I'm trying to get as much as I can, but the two sprogs are loving to run around the nice field. And actually looking at different ages of the same car, turns out it isn't quite as exciting for baby boys as it is for me. But we're getting on all right. We've seen some absolutely wicked cars, some lovely folks. Met a few people that watched the channel, so thanks so much to you guys for coming in, saying hello and introducing yourself. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little mo when we are just seeing the last couple, and then on our way outwards. Absolutely banging show. As I said before, there's loads and loads of cars up here which I haven't managed to really go and have a good look around. Also, my phone seems to be playing up proper silly buggers. I'm right on the cusp of getting upgrades, so hopefully that'll happen pretty soon, because this is right frustrating. Boys are having a nice little play and we found some horses, so they're happy for the time being, but it does mean I can't go and wander too much in terms of getting more snaps of cars. But thanks so much to Capri Club International for organising such a cracking meet. It's awesome to see loads and loads of awesome Capris. The boys have had quite a good day, to be fair, and John's found loads of folks to chat to, which is quite funny. Loads of different engines, cars. His dad's got a Mark 1 facelift that he's sort of still doing up a bit of a project in the garage, and then he's obviously got his Mark 3 as well, so he's been chatting loads while I've been herding children. But yeah, a few more clips maybe just as cars are leaving on their way out, and then I'm going to load the kids up and start wending our way home. That was the Capri Club International meet, guys. It was an absolute blast, to be fair. Loads of really nice or even concourse examples of some really cool trim levels. Obviously a nice little corner of Brooklyn's 280s as well. But then I was more surprised to see that there was quite a few modified and changed examples. People have sort of been playing around with, which was absolutely wicked for myself to have a little look around and see. I must say a massive shout out to all the guys that stopped me and said hello, recognised Kat or myself when we were there, but I must apologise for the fact that I didn't get a chance to stand and chat to too many people for too long, to be honest. And also the last sort of row or two of cars were sort of missed out a little bit in terms of my filming. So again, a massive apologies for that. But I hope there's enough in there to show you the range of Capris that turned up at the show. What we've got coming up, we've got the Southwest Retros Club meet at Boho Bakery on the 15th, 21st. I'm going to make my way over to Castle Combe, hopefully with the boys for a little bit. And then on the 29th, the one I'm really looking forward to this month is the Bromyard Speed Festival. So make sure to watch out for those videos. And if you do see me out and about, as I do say, please make sure to stop me and say hello. I really do enjoy chatting cars with other enthusiasts. So that's about it for today. I'll leave my link to the social media in the description below, as well as my Etsy store, where I have got a couple of stickers now as well for a couple of quid. So head on over there and have a little look if you haven't already done so, and check out a few bits and pieces I got for sale for the Capri vlog. And a massive shout out and thanks to everyone for your support so far. I really hope to see you on a future episode. So until next time guys, as always, drive safe.